Jase Master, where every thoughtful question sparks a vibrant world of discovery and endless learning opportunities await you.
Deep inside the human body, invisible to the naked eye, a world of microscopic organisms drifts through living tissue, some harmless, some deadly. This is where the story begins. What if no one knew these killers existed? What if no one was looking for them? One determined girl from Ghana decided to look. In the lush eastern region of Ghana, nestled along the scenic rivers of Akyem Abuakwa, a curious young girl named Dorothy Yeboah-Manu grew up persistently asking profound questions that remarkably no adult around her could adequately answer. Her name was Dorothy, and from the very beginning, she looked at the world differently, not with fear but with the steady, curious gaze of a scientist. She earned her place at KNUST, top of her class, and never stopped leaning in. At the microscope, she found her lifelong pose. The head tilt, the focused eye, the quiet certainty. Then she crossed oceans to sharpen her skills even further. From the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, where she read about Africa's silent health crises, to the University of Basel in Switzerland, where she earned her PhD, Dorothy was building something the world needed. She returned home to Ghana and rose to lead the prestigious Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research, becoming its first ever female director, not just a scientist, a true trailblazer. Ghana faced invisible enemies: Buruli ulcer destroying skin and bone, tuberculosis, a deadly infectious lung disease, and contaminated street food, a persistent silent health threat. All three were actively operating throughout Ghana, and Dorothy remained absolutely determined to methodically hunt down every single one of them, relentlessly and thoroughly. Late one night, working alone in the lab, she observed something entirely undocumented before. Two distinct bacterial patterns emerged. She carefully circled it with her red marker. She picked up the phone. "I need to show you something." 3 major breakthroughs followed. The first comprehensive genetic map of Mycobacterium ulcerans across Africa, fundamentally rewriting scientific textbooks. Ghana's first Buruli Ulcer Diagnostic Center at NMIMR. Her work radiated outward, from Accra to Geneva, Paris, London, and capitals across Africa. The Wellcome Trust Fellowship, Royal Society Africa Prize, Fellow of the Ghana Academy of Arts and Sciences, first woman leading Africa's major medical research institution. 4 honors, a lifetime of dedication, and through it all, Dorothy's greatest pride was never the awards. It was the next generation she was building. Today, young female scientists lean into microscopes with the same head tilt she made famous. Health inspectors protect Accra's markets. West African researchers sit at the global table because Dorothy opened the door. The girl who crouched by a river in Akyem Abuakwa, persistently asking unanswerable questions about life's mysteries, became the woman who answered them thoughtfully for the world. The urgent question now is, who will continue this vital work? Let it be us. Did you know? Now you do. Subscribe today for more extraordinary and fascinating African stories.